Welcome back. Oh, it's another super exciting moment with me on this channel. We are going to be tying this simple head wrap with this Ankara material, guys. So it's super easy in less than 2 minutes. Guys, you are done. So you're going to pleat it as seen. Just pleat it like that. After pleating it, you need your rubber band to secure the pleat. And also let me tell you this, that pleating you have to fold like 2 times, not equal, just a bit to that length of folding, just make it double, then you begin to pleat it like that. After that, you secure it with your rubber band. Watch the video, you will understand what I'm saying. So when you secure it with your rubber band, it's very simple. See how I placed it on my head, the hair. If you watch it, you understand how I placed it. Just place like that, not equal, just half, not even half. I don't know how to explain that particular place. So see, just place it like that, then you roll it around your head. The remaining one, roll it around your head and keep the excess where it ends. Then the front, just draw it out and place it. You need your pin, just 2 pin, one for the first edge and another for the second edge. Just use it to secure the edges. After, when I'm done the securing the both edges, after securing the both edges, I'm going to design it to my desired taste, desired shape up. So here I'm trying to pin down the second edge of the gele. Very simple, right? Very fast, beautiful and simple. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for always stopping by. Guys, I love you deeply. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. See you in my next video. Bye.